So, first of all, let us just understand how a computer evaluates positions and how exactly does it know which side is better, is white better or is black better. Hello everyone, this is Hiram Bhagwat and today we are going to talk about an extremely interesting concept, that is computer algorithms versus human based algorithms. What exactly is the difference and why it is harmful to use computer algorithms and what you should do instead. All that we are going to understand in today's video. So first of all, let us just understand how a computer evaluates positions and how exactly does it know which side is better, is white better or is black better, and what is the advantage. Like if you can see here on the right hand side, it says d4 gives white advantage of 0.17. If black plays knight f6, then white gets advantage of 0.11, and so on and so forth. Now the question is, how does a computer evaluate such positions and understand which side is better and how much points is it better by? So for that, let me tell you what the computer does. The computer calculates all the squares under the control of every single piece and pawn at every single move. So for example, if you see here, it will calculate that the pawn is controlling 2 squares, the knight is controlling 2 squares, the queen is controlling 2 squares, the bishop is controlling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. This knight is also controlling 2 squares. This pawn is controlling 1 square. And it will do this for the white side, and it will also do it for the black side, and it will not do it for 1 or 2 moves, it will do it for every single move in order to understand that which side is better. Now, the important question that we need to ask ourselves is it possible for us humans to calculate the number of squares under the control of every single piece and pawn at every single move? And the obvious answer is no, because humans cannot calculate the number of squares under the control of every single piece and pawn from both sides at every single move. That is not practical, because we also have to play under the ticking clock, where there are time constraints and we have to find the best move in just a short period of time, where we get maximum 1 to 3 minutes for every single move. And for that exact reason, even if computer algorithms seem fascinating, they seem like, oh, computer algorithm is just amazing, computer algorithms is the right way to go, from this entire study we can understand that computer algorithms is not the right thing to do, because if we are using computer algorithms, they are not practical and they cannot be used in real games. So now you may ask me, but Hiram, if computer algorithms is not the solution, if we should not use the computer to find the best move, then what is the right solution? And for that reason, we have to understand the concept of human-based algorithms. So now that you understand what is the problem with using computers to improve your game and why computer algorithms are not the right way to go, let us talk about human-based algorithms and how human-based algorithms can practically improve your chess to the next level. So first thing, what exactly are these human-based algorithms? So human-based algorithms are based on 3 things. First is logic, second is human intuition, and third is chess calculation. So we can combine these 3 things and create a proven system which will help you in every stage of your game and every position. Then you have something which can help you to improve your chess to the next level. Now, if you want to find out more about human algorithms and how exactly these human algorithms can help you boost your chess to the next level, all you need to do is you can click the link below and join me for a 2-hour workshop that we are going to do at a very discounted price for a limited amount of time. who have not taken the action, just click the link below and join me for the workshop, and you will understand chess algorithms and, more importantly, human-based algorithms like never before. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, just click the subscribe button below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comments in the chat and tell me what is your experience with chess algorithms. Have you ever tried to use chess algorithms in your games, and what exactly were the results when you did that? So with that, that's it for this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.